Well, I got my gaskets. Alright, figured out I was short. Got my seal for here. I already put it in. Proper rod bearings. I inserted them. Tighten these down to about, 8 or 10 pounds, and then loosen them back up so they just seat on there. I like the way these rods are made. I know people dog on them online, but they've got little inserts inside that line it up. I'll take one off in just a second and show you. But anyway, inserted these guys, tighten this down just to kind of seat them in there. So now I'm going to take these guys off one at a time and get ready to put them in the block. Those little inserts there, they go into a recess. So yeah, makes everything line up really nice. There's good thickness here. Right here, a lot of meat on that. So I don't know, I think they'll be all right. We'll see. Well, as usual, I get to going and forget the video, but anyway, got the first one in. Checked the clearance. Torqued it to 22 foot-pounds for checking the clearance. I don't know why they said to do that. Usually I go to the full torque, but anyway, yeah, that guy's in. Everything looks good. Got these guys torqued to 50. That's what the ARP is recommending for those 3/8 2000 type bolts. And then they want you to torque them 3 times. So once I get this one in, I'll go ahead and torque and retorque them all 3 times, and then roll it around and do the center 2 pistons. Yeah, I just finished doing the plastic gauge on these guys. I mean, they came from the machine shop and they checked everything, but they didn't have the actual bearings. So although I think that the rod journal is correct as it can be, I'm just double checking it. The machine shop action that I went to here up in Washington is exceptional. At any rate, now I'm going to push this guy back, put some engine lube on it, and actually put the rod cap on and torque her down. So there. Well, I have two torque wrenches set up. One is at 22, which is for checking the. Set it up because I wanted to check the clearances, and then the other one I have it set up for 50. So I'm going to use those to stage it in. There's 22. All right. Now we're supposed to retorque those 3 times, so I'm going to go ahead and do both of them. Just break them off. Go back to 50. There's 2. And redo it. And final one. All right.